This is my BMW 3 Series, and I am going to be attempting to fix and modify it with absolutely no mechanical experience. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? So we're going to jump straight into it with the first modification. We're going to start nice and easy, and we're going to progressively get a little bit harder, but we're going to be starting with the 4D plates today because personally I think they look a lot better than just some standard old number plates. They look clean, they look nice, and I like them. So we're going to be adding them on as well. It's very easy, so what could possibly go wrong? And that is going to be a big theme of this thing. What could possibly go wrong? And it's going to come back to bite me, but what could possibly go wrong?
Front kind of looks like it's been velcroed on. Okay, that is... There's paint missing from all over the place. If I can't get this on, I've got a bit of a problem, because then I'll have no front number plate. So we better get this on.
So after taking off the original number plate, you can see there is a lot of residue and sticky patches left on the bumper. Now, to be honest, the bumper was in pretty bad shape. There was paint missing everywhere and it was cracking, but I used a plastic scraper just to try not to make the damage any worse, and well, as you can see, it just didn't work.
That ain't coming off. I think we're just gonna have to send it. Let's do it.
So now it's time to actually apply the new number plate, which is, as you can see, a 4D plate. And it's pretty simple, to be fair. In the booklet it gives you a little diagram of where to place the stickers. You simply stick 4 on and stick it to the car. Yeah, that's about it really.
Here we go then. Get that lined up. That is on. No. Oh god, I'm not happy with the placement, but I've already sort of stuck one on. Oh no. It's not straight at all. I mean, to be fair, unless you're staring at it, probably ain't gonna realise.
Now the rear number plate was nice and easy. All I had to do was undo the clips to the plate holder, take out the plate and put the new one in. It's literally impossible to get it wrong. If you get this wrong, seek help.
Alright, so the back one is now on. Looks pretty good. Can't get that wrong because it clips into there. So, I mean, it's literally impossible to get wrong. However, the front one, that's a different story. I mean, the gap is definitely bigger that side than it is that side. But hey, what are you going to do about it?
If I'm stuck in traffic, everyone's going to be behind me and they're going to see that it's perfect. No one's going to see the front. Modification number 1 is complete. We can now say goodbye to the old number plates. We've got new ones. Pretty good.